Hey everybody, Chris Hoenick here, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Hope y'all are doing well. Today I have for you our 2021 Scout 175 Dorado. This is a really great versatile boat for lots of families that have kids that want to go fishing and then transition into water sports, and then just a great cruiser with comfortable seating for 6. So we're going to start in the back of the transom with an upgraded Yamaha 115 motor on here. Great 4-stroke, plenty of torque and power for towing your kids. And if you'll see, we have the optional ski tow bar on here that is removable, so that's nice if you're not going to be doing water sports for the day and want to have some good room for everybody for fishing or hanging out. 2 nice back transom seats, port and starboard, with storage underneath. You also have a live well in the port side storage, so again, a great versatile boat for handling any of those activities. Then with the dual console, 2 individual consoles here with 2 bucket swivel seats at 360 swivel. Storage on the port side underneath and up top. And then on your dash we have a nice Lemar steering wheel with tilt option, trim tabs with LED indicators, and great toggle switches, and good setup on here with a windshield and a grab rail on both sides. As we walk forward, this is where the Dorado separates itself from the Sportfish. You have 2 nice lounge seats. Then underneath you have storage underneath both seats. So again, great storage for a boat of this size. It's 17.5 feet overall length, and then 7'5" is your beam. So good, solid, stable boat when everybody's on board on one side or the other. Coming up to the bow, have another nice seating area, bow cushion, and then you'll have underneath here storage and then a separate anchor locker. So that's nice to not have to dig underneath the bow cushion when you have to get that anchor out. Also, another option I want to point out, we have the bow rod holder and cup holder combination. So that's a nice feature in there to have for fishing and then putting your drinks somewhere nice to put your drinks out. Really nice draft on this boat. You have a 10-inch draft, so you get into super shallow water, but a good modified V to help cut through that chop and really get you out in the ocean when you're wanting to troll for Spanish mackerel or bluefish. So if you'd like to see this boat or any others, please give me a call, Chris Hoenick, at 910-617-3646, and look forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks.